You ever feel like you're just drowning in text? I mean, we all are, right? Reports, articles, emails. It's just this constant flood of words. But what if you had a tool that could instantly pick out the who, the what, the where, and the when from any document? Well, today we're going to talk about the AI that does exactly that. It's all about turning that information overload into clear, actionable facts. All right, so let's break this down. At its heart, entity extraction is all about teaching AI to read text. But not just for the words themselves, it's reading for meaning. It's this process of automatically finding and then yanking out the key facts, the names, the places, the dates, from a huge sea of messy, unstructured text. And this is a really, really crucial first step if we want to make any sense of the massive amount of data we see every single day. So, you're staring at this massive wall of words. How in the world do you find what actually matters without spending hours, or heck, even days, manually sifting through everything? Well, this is where the power of AI really steps in. The best way to think about it is like an automatic highlighter. Seriously, imagine a tool that can just read any document and zap, it instantly highlights all the key pieces of information for you. That, in a nutshell, is what entity extraction is all about. Okay, so the official term for this is entity extraction. And here's the key thing. It's not just about finding words, it's about understanding them. The AI identifies the key info, and then, this is the important part, it categorizes it. So it's not just a highlighter, it's a super smart organizer too. And how does it learn this? By analyzing millions and millions of sentences, spotting all the little patterns that tell it, hey, Apple in this sentence is a giant tech company, not the fruit you eat. Now, you might see a few other names for this floating around, stuff like named entity recognition or entity chunking. Honestly, don't get bogged down by the jargon. They all mean the same basic thing, finding and sorting the key info in a bunch of text. So we keep saying this word, entity. What exactly is an entity? What are these little building blocks of information that the AI is hunting for? It's pretty simple, actually. An entity is just a piece of specific, real-world, factual information. It's the who, the what, the where, and the when. Basically, it's the stuff that actually matters.
And these entities come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. You've got people, organizations, locations, dates, all kinds of things. So let's just do a quick run-through of the most common types you'll see. Okay, first up, the most obvious one, people.
The AI is trained to spot names and titles, so it knows that Sundar Pichai or Dr. Jane Doe are individuals. Then, moving on from people, it can identify organizations. And this can be anything, really, from a huge tech company like Google to a global group like the World Health Organization. Next up, of course, it has to know where things are happening, so locations. The AI can grab all kinds of geographical places, whether we're talking about a city like New York or an entire country like the United States. And this is a big one. It's not just about the who, what, and where, it's also about the when. And the system is pretty clever about this. It understands a huge range of time-based stuff, from a casual word like yesterday, all the way to a super specific date way out in the future. All right, so we've seen all the building blocks. Now, let's see how it all comes together. This is where the real magic happens, where we go from just a messy blob of text to clean, beautiful, structured data. Okay, take a look at this sentence. Seems simple enough, right? But it is absolutely packed with entities. You've got a person, an organization, a product, a location, and a date, all crammed into one little sentence. And here it is. This is the magic. The AI takes that sentence and turns it into this perfectly organized, structured table. This is the whole point. If you take one thing away, it's this. Entity extraction turns messy human language into clean, computer-readable data. Okay, so why does any of this matter? It looks kind of simple, right? Why is this so important? Let's zoom out and look at the big picture for a second. Because fundamentally, this is how we teach computers to read. Think of entity extraction as the bridge connecting our human language to a machine's understanding. It's the secret sauce that turns all that endless text into knowledge you can actually use.